Hello, my name is Sumit Zadav and my project is about lane speed tracker. In this, on highways, it is actually different lanes are supposed to be driven by different speeds. So my module will keep track of different lanes and the speed by which the car is being driven, and it will accordingly send messages to the driver and to the police if the the regulations are violated. So this is my board. By default, it is in lane 1. And this is the pot which is supposed to be attached to the speedometer. It is going to give the analog input which is being converted by the ADC, and you can see here speed 36 lane 1, and here is the hyper terminal. In this hyper terminal, just previously it had been at speed 78 and it was supposed to be in lane 1, which was violation, so it has been given as an output as violation. Right now I have adjusted it to a speed of lane 1, so you can see it is speed 36 lane 1. It is not showing any violation message. Now I'll show you going in lane 2. This is the sensor panel which will detect the lane, and this is the prototype of a road. As you can see here, now it has become in lane 2, and you can see here violation message has been received, and similarly here also violation message has been received on the hyper terminal as well. Now I will show you by changing the speed to lane 2, it will again stop showing the violation message. The speed limit for lane 1 is from 1 to 70, and for lane 2 is from 50 to 130. I have kept a plus minus 10 range for making a nice shift so that there will be no violation message also. And in general, this is how the practical application is also. This is the hyper terminal is showing all the messages generated while changing the speed. As they were not belonging to the lane 2 speed, it is showing these messages. It can go up to lane 4. The speed range is from 0 to 240, which is normally at really high express highways. So, and this is how it is connected to the hyper terminal by serial port, and I'm using UART for that. So this is how is the project all about.
Thank you.
Thank you.